guys, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another wig install. This is from Unice hair. I'm gonna link everything in the description in case you guys are interested in getting this exact wig. But today I did things a little differently. Normally I talk and I'm very talkative and chatty, but today I decided to just play some elevator music and let you guys just see me install the wig. I did the curls off camera. They are wand curled, so super easy. I'll link the wand that I used in the description. Hope you guys enjoy. I absolutely adore this wig. I think that it's super cute. It makes me feel super sexy. I know I'm saying super a lot, but that's how it makes me feel. And like you guys know from all of the previous wig videos that I've been doing, I've just been trying to get out of my element and do different styles for you guys. You can throw it to the side if you wanted it to the side. That's kind of cute. Okay. Let's hop straight into this wig video.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
So you guys, this is the final look. This hair is from Unice or Unice hair, and I think that it's really cute. The hair color is gorgeous. It's like ginger auburn mix that I feel like complements all skin complexions. This is one of my favorite hair colors to wear. Mine is like a 27S, because y'all know I love me a good blonde, but this is super cute. Definitely very long. This is a nice 24-inch that I'll throw on the screen for you guys. You guys can just see like pics and stuff, but I did end up wand curling it. I feel like, granted, this hair is like a body wave hair. When I washed it, I like combed it out with a fine thin comb, so it kind of made the hair appear more straight, but it's actually like a body wave texture, and I'm really here for it. So to achieve that same body wave look, I did wand curl it. I feel like wand curling is easier than actually curling your hair, because I don't know what it is, me and curling irons, we just don't get along. But to kind of preserve this little beachy body wave, I did spray some hairspray in it just so we can have more of, like, you know, textured. But I love this hair. Let me show you guys briefly how the hair came and what came in the box, because I really do like Unice hair. This is how the box came. They ended up giving a pink silk robe. I might get it, but this is how the hair came. It's actually 24 inches. Okay, so it came in that. And they also gave me a little headband, because you know sometimes you don't want to put on your wig, you just want to throw that bad boy on. They do have their own brand of lashes. You got a wig cap, got another bag of goodies, more lashes, a bonnet, and one of these little hair elastic bands, which I absolutely love, because sometimes you don't want to tie it. This is just the perfect, it's just Velcro. So I absolutely love that they gave me 2 of those. So now if I lose one, I'll have another alternative. I absolutely adore this hair. I think it's super cute. It makes me feel super sexy. You guys haven't seen me do a little bust down middle part, especially with some curls. Granted, I didn't show you guys me curling it, because it's actually fairly hot in here. But this is how the wig turned out. Absolutely love it. I did attempt to bleach the knots and pluck the hairline. Granted, you didn't have to if you didn't want to, but I did see a little bit of black knots in the hair. I do think that this hair requires a baby hair in the front, because even if I swoosh baby hairs on the side, that would look nice too. But the lace itself is nice and transparent. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any questions, do be sure to leave them in the comment sections below, because I normally do respond back to everybody. And yeah, bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.